wanna sail away? I wanna sail away. Do you wanna sail away with me today? Do you wanna sail away?
We were back from our epic sailing weekend at Put-in-Bay on Lake Erie. But this was where the real action was. It was time for Wednesday night racing at Alum Creek Lake north of Columbus, Ohio.
Race day, race day, race day.
Race day!
Lauren would be joining a bunch of her fam on Belonger, the Catalina 27, to race, while Rivers and I helped out the race committee. All right, so we are on the race committee boat for the Alum Creek Sailing Association. Chris Shepard is our strict captain for the night. So strict. Jim, and of course, Nona and Baby. Chris is our tactician for all things
Grandpa.
race committee related. This is not untypical of a Central Ohio race. This is the start. This is not in slow motion. Grandpa's flag guy today.
15 seconds to P flag down. 3, 2, 1. P flag.
Yeah, so okay.
Red comes down in a minute.
That's just to start these racers.
Bad part is
Here comes a little breeze.
so. 20 seconds to red flag down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Red flag down.
This is what we might call an extremely light wind night here on Alum Creek Lake. And we'd be lying if we said it never happened. You want to party?
Hi.
Yep, that's right.
Pretty intense start.
Yeah, we started 10 minutes ago. Luke, do you have our mark still? I don't see it.
Oh. Tiller towards trouble.
It's cool, just stay out of the way. We got in front of us. See what we got. Still don't know where our mark is.
Oh,
That's why everybody's trying to get around it. It's up there. Luke, fall off behind us.
Focus, Luke. Focus.
You gotta fall off more, bud. Okay. I feel wind.
I'm gonna roll down the river now.
All kidding about the light wind aside, Ohio has some really varying conditions when you're trying to sail a boat. And we believe that's what makes a lot of Ohio racers so good. It might seem bizarre to some to be racing in virtually no wind on a sailboat. But what else are you gonna do, sit on your couch? It may not be edge of your seat racing, but it really does teach you every single intricacy of your boat.
Gonna find my face by the swollen face of rolling down the river now.
And there's always friends, there's always rum, and there's almost always a beautiful sunset. What, you want wind too?
Daddy.
Do you know which boat Mommy's on?
Mommy's on a boat.
She's out there somewhere. On Belonger. So they've shortened the course to basically one mark over there by the state marina and then straight back here, I believe. And all the way down here, way up here in the distance, that is, I believe, Belonger. Catalina 27 with a whole pack of Varvarovskis on it. And we think they're leading their class right now in this insanely light wind race.
We're moving now.
We are moving. Oh.
falling off a little bit.
Yeah.
Epic.
I don't think we're gonna make it to the marina.
I don't think we're gonna make Mark one.
Epic racing.
Ramming speed.
I drop my phone.
So we're just here watching this race take place. Yeah. What do you have to say about this race? Uh-huh. That's true. It's very true.
Okay. Oh, no Joe.
You're right. It is very light wind. And the beer does taste really good. Very astute. You're going to be a great color man one day. Yeah. Yeah. That's how you do it.
Where you guys docked? On Lake Erie.
Wherever it brands.
Yeah. Unprompted camera mugging. Wonder where you learned that.
Yellow. Yellow.
Yeah, it's a yellow spinnaker boat.
So the second reason it was interesting. Well, the jet is on the other side of the bridge.
You having fun? Yeah. It's crazy when you can have a sailboat race on water that reflects the sailboat. You can see the reflection of their sails all the way down. The sky behind them is awesome.
So that only took them a half an hour.
Tucked in right there behind that 126 is the Catalina 27.
Are we close?
Kind of. I can't see it.
Oh, we're right on the red mark.
Yeah.
3 or 4 boat lengths.
There it is.
I'll try to counterbalance.
Yeah, here we go.
Hear your son.
Oh, I hear a baby.
Not very happy.
Come on, Belonger, you can do it!
Hi, buddy.
Hi, Rivers.
Rivers!
Oh. Just kidding. I'm not here.
There's a mark. Yep, that's a mark.
There it is.
Slowly
2 boat
but
lengths.
surely.
2 boat lengths. We're trying.
So close, it's nerve-wracking. Look at that mark.
Clear! I had a little mishap trying to get on the boat. It didn't look too bad now, though. I've got a bruised ankle from trying to board the boat.
Hit that other foot?
And I chipped this toe.
The indentation has gone away.
Chase tried to save me and shredded my forearm. Yeah. Yeah, and Lauren just jumped back. You should have seen this though. This was like, it was like an indent, like 1/4 of an inch.
Yeah, that was rough.
That's gonna hurt later.
Ice.
It's alright, I've got a medication.
I thought you were going in.
You're pretty far down. I've been pretty far off the boat many times. The thing is, it's better to go in. Yeah. But I've scrambled, kicked, and clawed to fall in.
Oh, we also got, we had to tow Chaotic out, and that was a little bit of a...
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so we towed Chaotic out 15 minutes before our start.
So your good Samaritanism cost you the start you wanted.
No, I mean, we were kind of in the position that
No.
Oh,
Yes.
Yes, it did.
We helped a boat out.
Thanks a lot, Brent and Charla.
We dropped him off, like, way out here, though. We're like, this is good. You can get to the start, right? And they were like,
We got it.
I didn't think I saw him when we...
Wind died.
By the way, they married us.
Brent did.
Brent did, yeah.
And then I married their son
Universal Church.
and their daughter.
Oh, you did? That's
I
right.
did. Yeah.
We're like a whole big family.
Yeah, it's weird.
We're starting our own cult.
Yeah, kind of.
Basically. The baby is the prophet. I think we've gone through this before. And I'm the interpreter.
The prophet is currently spitting off the back of the sailboat.
He's like, he's out of spit, so it's like hanging off his chin.
Hey, Rivers. Hey, Bugaboo. This is like the best day ever.
Hey, Rivers. What you doing?
This is racing in Central Ohio.
It's way better than living here. We're pretty hardcore about it.
Yeah.
We're like on the
Alright,
edge of
who's
it.
catching? Chase is used to it. I love
Ah!
As always, thanks for watching, and please give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Join us every week for new videos. Coming up, we've got a rough weather sail with some fellow YouTubers and some pretty big life changes we hope you'll enjoy following along. Cheers.
To the ends of